I'm a freshly born wood duckling. My mom nested high up in a tree next to a pond. Apparently, we are one of the very few ducks that nest in tree. Now I'm only 1 day old, and I am put to an ultimate test. She wants me to jump. Let me see. Are you kidding me? Would you let your 1 day old baby to jump off a tree? But for a wood duckling, that's a rite of passage, and it's necessary for survival. My brothers and sisters were braver than me. They jumped one after another, leaving me behind, and they seem okay. Okay. Here I go. I made it. Now I can join my mom and my siblings, and start my life on the pond.